Welcome back. In previous lecture, we covered loops. Today, we are going to cover quizzes on loops. Which of these is not a loop in C++? 4 is our loop in C++. While also is a loop in C++. Do whiles is also a loop in C++. But repeat is not a loop in C++. So our answer will be repeat. What does a loop do in a programming? Repeats a block of code. Ends the program? No. Creates variable? No. Takes input? No. Our loop repeats a block of code. How many times will this loop run? Let's try run it. Initially I equals to 1. Our condition is I less than equals to 3. So this condition is true. Our loop will print 1. Then our I value got updated. Then it becomes 2. 2 less than equals to 3 true. Then it will print 2. Then I again got updated. I become 3. 3 less than 3 loop will print 3. So here you can see our loop is running for 3 times. What is the output? I equals to 1. What is our condition? I less than equals to 3. Initially I equals to 1. While loop will print 1. After printing it, I got updated and I become 2. 2 is less than equals to 3. True. It will print 2. Then I becomes 3. 3 less than equals to 3. Condition true. It will print 3. Then I become 4. 4 less than equals to 3. False. So our loop will end it here. So our answer will be 1, 2, 3. Which loop always executes at least once? To check which loop execute at least once, C++ first check the condition if it is true or false. If it is a true, then it execute the block of code. So in for loop first check the condition, then execute block. Similarly for while check the condition, then execute. But in do while it first execute then check the condition. So we can see our do while loop will execute at least once. Find the error. So I equals to 0, I less than 5, then I minus minus. Minus minus is for decrement. So 0 less than 5 true, it will print 0. Then I got decreased, so I will become minus 1. Then it will print minus 1. Then again I got decreased, it become minus 2. Then it will print minus 2. Here you can see it is keep printing in minus, 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 minus. So what will happen? The loop will never end here because I less than 5. 5 is positive and we are keep decreasing towards the negative. So our loop will go in infinite loop. Okay. So what is the correction in this code? Just do a plus plus here. So when we got 5 less than 5, then loop will end here. Which of the following is the correct syntax of while loop? This one. Okay. While condition then parenthesis. What is the output? I equals to 1. Then here you can see we are running do while loop. So first it will print 1, then it will increase value of 5, it will become 2. Then now it checks the condition I less than 3, 2 less than 3 true. Then it will start executing again. Then it will print 2. Then I becomes 3. Then it will check 3 less than 3. It is false. So our code will print 1, 2. How many times will the loop run? Our initialization is from 5. It's checking condition I greater than 0. So it will goes 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And at 0 it will fail. But here you can see we are decrementing the I by 2. So what will happen? Initially we have a 5. After decreasing by 2 it will become 3. Then after decreasing by 2 it will become 1. Then after decreasing by 2 it will become minus 1. So our loop will stop here. And so here you can see we are printing I. So it will print 5. Then after decreasing by 2 it will print 3. And after decreasing by 2 it will print 1. And after decreasing again by minus 2 it will become minus 1. So our loop will end and our answer will be 3 because we are running it for 3 times. What keyword immediately stops a loop? Continue skips the iteration. There is no such thing here. Break is the keyword which stops the loop. What is the output? I equals to 1, I less than equals to 3. First it will print 1, then it will increase the I by 2. So our I will become 1 plus 2, 3. 3 less than 3, true. It will print 3. Then 3 will increase by 2. 3 plus 2, it will become 5. 5 less than equals to 3, false. So our loop will end and our answer will be 1, 3. Let's look at this code. Here you can see our I is from 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. So here I equals to no. So it will skip this block and it will run it. It will print 0. I will become 1. 1 less than 5, true. 1 equals to 2, no. It will print 1. I become 2. 2 equals to 2, true. So what will happen here? This block will execute and it will skip that iteration, will not execute it, and I will become 3. 3 equals to 2, no. It will print 3. I become 4. 4 equals to 2, no. It will print 4. I become 5. 5 less than 5, condition false. So we will exit this block and our answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4. At I equals to 2, we are using continue, which basically skips that iteration. What will be the output of this code? Let's look at it. I equals to 5. So we are using do while loop. First it will execute this block, then it will check the condition. First it will print 5, then I value become 4, then it will check the condition 4 greater than equals to 1, true. Then it will goes here and will print 4. 4 become 3. 3 greater than equals to 1, true. It will print 3. Then it become 2. 2 greater than equals to 1, true. It will print 2. Then it will become 1. First we have to initialize a variable to run a loop. Condition, no. Updation, yes, because after each iteration we are updating the variable, not before the iteration. What it will print? Here you can see this is an example of nested loop. So what will happen here? For every I, j will run from 1 to 2. Let's look at the dry run. For I equals to 1, j will run 1, 2. For I equals to 2, j will run 1, 2. For I equals to 3, j will run 1, 2. Okay, so our output will be when we have I1, j also 1, then I1 we have 1, for I1 we have 2, for 2 we have 1, for 2 we have 2, 2, for 3 we have 1, for 3 we have also 2. So our answer will be 1, 1, 1, 2, 1. Here is some mistake in this option. Our answer will be this one. Okay, let's look at the next code. I equals to 10. Here again we are using single equal, which is for assignment. So I will become 5 and it will print 5, then it stops the loop. So our answer will be 5. If you didn't use the break, it will goes into the infinite loop because I always will be non-zero. We already discussed whenever there is a non-zero number, it always true. If there is a 0, it always false. So I will always be equals to 5, which is non-zero. So it will always be true and it will keep running if you don't use the break. Let's look at this code. I equals to 1. Here you can see we didn't use the initialization here, but we use the initialization before the for loop. So we can do it like that also. Our condition is I less than equals to 3 and we also didn't use updation in the for loop. We are updating after printing the, so it will run exactly the for loop which we have seen till now. So our value of I equals to 1, I less than equals to 3, it will print 1, then it will become 2, then 2 less than equals to 3, it will print 2, it will become 3, 3 less than equals to 3, it will print 3. Our answer will be 1, 2, 3. So we can say this also one kind of a syntax to write a for loop. Let's look at this code. I equals to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. What we are doing here, we are incrementing I before even executing our statement. So I will become 1. I equals to 2. No, it will print 1. Then it will goes here 1 less than 3. True. Then I plus plus, it will become 2. 2 equals to 2. True. Then it will break the loop. So our output will be 1. Look at this code. There is no initialization, there is no condition, also there is no updation. This is not an error. C++ will still execute it and it will print C infinitely. Let's look at this code. I equals to 1. We are using do while loop. So first it will execute this block, then check the condition. So it will print 1. 1 equals to 2. No. Then it will increment the value. I will become 2. 2 less than 5. True. Will goes here. It will print 2. 2 equals to 2. Condition true. It will break the loop and it will exit from the loop and our answer will be 1 2. Thank you everyone for watching this lecture. Have a nice day.